le Burkina Faso, c'est pas Dubaï, c'est pas Paris, c'est pas New York. Burkina Faso, nous sommes au Burkina actuellement. Quand on vous parle de la reconstruction du Burkina Faso là, vous pensez que non, c'est de la blague. Vous-même regardez, le Burkina Faso en construction. Ah, regardez. Vous-même regardez. Ici là, c'est merveilleux. C'est le Burkina Faso que vous voyez comme ça. Nous sommes au Burkina Faso. C'est pas Paris, c'est pas New York, c'est même pas Dubaï. Ici là, c'est Ouagadougou. Vous voyez la reconstruction du Burkina Faso. Ouais, famille, c'est très haut. Ibe c'est l'homme, hein. Ibe c'est quelqu'un. Vous me regardez. Pardon, il faut venir de l'autre côté un peu. Tourne un peu. Voilà, il faut montrer. Ici c'est le Burkina, hein. C'est pas Paris, c'est pas Dubaï. Voilà, il faut montrer bien. Voilà. Ici nous sommes au Burkina, chez nous au Burkina Faso. Voilà, moi je suis sur le lieu maintenant. Voilà, on est ensemble. Ciao, ciao.
Some people talk say African need to protest Burkina Faso president. Okay, now me I want tell una say una want make civilian protect military personnel. How is that even possible? This Burkina Faso man is a military president. You understand? It's a military president. So you want a civilian to protect a military president? Is that possible? Him himself now protect us him be. Now he's supposed to protect us. You got my point? You know, every time you say make Africa, they protect the man, say they go back. They don't fit buy that man. They fit try, but they no rich. I'm telling you this. Let us be honest. How is that even possible? A civilian should protect soldier. You know they possible. I know if they possible. Yes, that man is doing. See, that man is doing a great job. You understand? In all Africa history, this man is the first African man that refused to be used. And that's the reason why they are after him. They want to end him. But I go let you know say, Africa no fee protect that man. He is a military man. That man himself is a protector. They no fee do him anything. That is what I have to say. Yes, when I fee talk say yes, if they no protect, they will buy him. They no fee buy that man. Yes, they no fee buy him. Make we talk about our own faith leaders in Nigeria. Make we talk about Tinubu himself. That is what we have to say. As you all know, this is Tuma Kodos.
Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I've required to share with you one that's normally say shall never and say. This is Progress the Analyst. I'm here to keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you. Meanwhile, a lot is happening right now in Burkina Faso and people are talking about it. One of the youngest presidents, age 35, Ibrahim. This guy is doing a great job. We are seeing the same thing that happened to Gaddafi. Now here we dey, Gaddafi come off from road. Nobody see Gaddafi. But a lot of times, the Western world, they said, Africans, that they cross Mediterranean Sea, coming to their country to come and disturb them. But we now discover that anytime there is anybody to rescue these African people, some people are not really happy about it. Now, you are complaining that Africans are tripping into your country. You call them all sorts of names. You say they are coming from the Mediterranean Sea into your country, like dove. You are complaining. But immediately a man who cares about his African, working hard to develop Africa, rise up and you move against him. What you support are the criminal looting Africans, but not those ready to work for Africa. Africa is very rich, as you know, but our leaders are something else. Do you remember how they killed Gaddafi? And now they are moving against this Ibrahim, the president of Burkina Faso. And the great work that this man is doing in Africa, this man started to open the eyes of a lot of people. Hey, like the time of Gaddafi when they said a lot of things to us. But today, people are aware. We know that Ibrahim is not a bad person. We know he's working for his people. And we know why the guys are against him. You can see the little clip of video that you watched before, how he now turned Burkina Faso to something else. In fact, the people of Burkina Faso, they are so happy with their president. Africa needs to be put down for Europe to thrive. What grows the European economic? They having good materials, raw materials from Africa and America also benefit everything. Even British, France. We are not saying that the Europeans will not try to move against Ibrahim, that is the president of Burkina Faso. We are saying you can't do that again. It is not right. Without consequences, Africa will be great. Africa will be divided between those who love themselves, who love their slave masters, and those who truly love Africa. Africa will move against leaders who are yet and will not even care about the citizens. Africans are wise. They should leave Africa to do things by themselves. They should allow Africa to take the strongest move in life. Kilo shele. If we need to battle our brothers used by the Europeans to put Africa down in order to be free, so be it. The fight that is going to happen right now in Burkina Faso, Africans, they are supporting this Ibrahim, honestly speaking. Africa is not poor. Africa is rich. Africa is the richest in raw materials than Europe, I'm telling you. Yet we are surrounding for surrender at all times to the Europeans. They support the likes like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Buhari, and so many other African countries. In fact, a lot of times they say that Peter Obi is going to change things or carry other good, intelligent people to rule us. This because it is their policy to keep Africa like this. So they are the ones that are choosing the leaders for us. Even if somebody try to have good intention, when you get to that place, the person go change totally, especially if you have been one of them. If you have anything to do with it, the person will just change automatically and start doing the bidding of the people, of the lead of the godfatherism. This thing is getting too much. Africa must wake up and start by believing in themselves, believing in what they can do. Africans are great. It's just that with the eye opener from the Burkina Faso president, we now know the importance and what Africans can really do. Africans, they are rich. Look at the buildings that is building for his people. Look at what he's doing for them. So if all the countries in Africa, if they can start by helping the citizens, start by taking the citizen first, I think that the world will be a better place. Africa as a continent is so great, filled with raw materials. God bless Africa with a lot of things, but what happened? Bad leaders. So if the president of Burkina Faso take the lead, I think that other African countries will do likewise. But the fear, they know that if all these young people take over, like not even saying young people, there are some young people that they're not the year word, they're worst past the people they said they are even old. But you see, the president of Burkina Faso have taken the lead, and all African countries should follow so that the world will be a better place for us and our children, our generation, and our family. So my beautiful family, so let me see my voice about what is going on in Burkina Faso. Everybody's talking about the president. That means he's doing a great job. Thank you, and do it to share this video. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you, and bye for now.